Everyone, welcome back. Today's video is completely on the Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Face Mask. I was waiting for reviewing this product, and always when I placed the order it was going out of stock, and finally I've got my hands on it, and the product is here. So without wasting more time, let's quickly start, and I shall be speaking about the properties of this product, how the product is, and I shall show you the application and the effects as well. So without wasting more time, let's start. To speak about the packaging, this is the container. It came in a bubble wrapped paper, the plastic paper. It was bubble wrapped, and this is how it came. It didn't come in any kind of a box or anything. It was bubble wrapped, and it had come in this way. The product container is just amazing. It's so classy. To speak about the look of the product, the presentation is wonderful. They have given a golden rim here, and the label is pretty simple and really very nice. The logo is really very good. You know, they have put the charcoal picture, so I like this part a lot, the golden rim. This makes the product look very classy, and the jar is of glass made container. This is a glass made container, and this is of this quantity. This is an activated charcoal deep cleansing face mask. Amazing. I am in love with the packaging. It looks very classy, very trendy, very decent. Ingredients are here, and how to use is being given here. The steps, all you have to do is wash your face and then apply it and leave it to dry for 10 minutes and then wash it off, and it just takes off all the dirt from your skin. So the charcoal has the properties which would pull all your impurities, the face impurities, the dirt, the tiredness, and you know, it gives a fresh looking skin, and it adds the freshness to your skin texture actually. And yeah, that's how it says it has to be worked. And let's try out and see as well. And, yeah, this was all about the outer part of the product. With the look and the presentation, I would just give a thumbs up, straight thumbs up for the presentation of this product, and you know, it's just amazing and lovely. Let's see how the product is from within. When you open this product, there is this layer. So they have given a protection here, so they have given a covering here where you can just pull this off, and that's where the product is. Okay, so there is the covering here. To be very frank, before giving a review, I usually try the product on myself and then give a review. So I have used this couple of times since I've got this. And the quantity of this, to speak about the quantity, yeah, it comes very less. See, many people will think it's just half it's used or something, but the quantity of it really comes a little less. But amazing product. So the texture of it is very smooth and creamish. Let me take some on my finger. Okay, so I have picked some quantity here on my finger. This is very smooth in texture and very creamish and very easy to apply. You know, it dries up very fast. So this has the properties where it dries up really very fast on your face, and you have to leave it for 10 minutes, and you have to wash it off with plain normal water, and you will see the instant result, the instant freshness on your face. All your dead skin, you know, all the impurities, your tiredness, all just comes off. And with the regular use of this product, I can definitely tell you that you shall get some kind of an improvement on your skin texture, definitely, because charcoal has such a lovely properties in it that it just takes off all the dirt from your skin, and you know, it gives a really fresh looking skin and very clean skin. So it just, you know, cleanses your face. It cleans the pores, the open pores. So have washed my face and see the glow on my face. I have not applied anything. This is my natural skin. I have just applied lipstick and I've just washed my face, and this is my natural skin after washing my face. So this was the review of activated charcoal face mask, deep cleansing face mask. Like it says, this deep cleanses your face, and on regular use definitely you shall see improvements on your skin or on your face. So my personal opinion about this product is I liked it. I wanted to try, and this was my first try out, and I'm quite happy using this product. I shall definitely go buy other products of Good Vibes and definitely get those videos as well and the reviews as well for you very soon on my channel. Stay connected for many more videos here, and I shall be bringing you many more interesting stuffs here. Until then, take care and bye.